Top 7 answers are on the board. Name a type of bird you hope you never see listed on a restaurant's menu.
Duck.
Show me duck! What?
I'd say pigeon.
Show me pigeon! All right.
We playing.
All right, they're gonna play. Close.
All right,
If we
okay.
surveyed a few more people, that might have been up there. Because I've never seen duck. It's disgusting. Hi, Milan.
Hi.
Name a type of bird you hope you'd never see listed on a restaurant's menu, and duck has been taken.
I'm gonna say seagull.
Seagull. Yeah, ooh. Show me seagull. Crystal, name a type of bird you hope you never see listed on a restaurant's menu.
I'm gonna say robin.
Yeah. Show me robin. One strike, Jillian.
Well,
Name a type of bird you hope you never see listed on a restaurant's menu.
a dove.
A dove.
Yeah, I don't want to see a dove. No, we don't want to see a dove.
Show me dove. 2 strikes.
How could that be?
2 strikes. Well, a lot of people eat dove. 4, name a type of bird you hope you never see listed on a restaurant's menu.
Parakeet.
A parakeet? Yeah, good answer. If it's up there, you're still alive. If not, they get a chance to steal. Show me a parakeet. All right. Name a type of bird you hope you never see listed on a restaurant's menu. What'd you come up with, Caddy?
We are going to redeem ourselves and we are going to say a crow.
A crow. It's up there. Got a big lead. Not, they get on the board. Show me crow. Come on. Number 7. Number 6. Oh, number 4. Number 3. All right. If you like that one and you want to see more Family Feud Canada videos, check these ones out.